Okay, now we'll check on the vegetable stock again. Looking good. It's almost ready to go. I think we'll get everything else ready. We'll get the pressure canner ready, get our jars ready, get everything else all set, and then we'll strain this. Okay, pressure canner's on the stove. A couple of inches of water, a little bit of vinegar added to keep the jars clean. And now we have the strainer set in the sink in a large pot so that the juices actually fall into the large pot and we can strain away everything else. Okay, we're going to do that right now. Ooh, all that lovely stock. And we've got quite a bit of it. Put this back on the stove now and we'll put the mushrooms in there. Carefully. A little bit difficult to do this with one hand. Okay, now we'll just let these mushrooms cook down a little bit, and then we'll get back to you when they're ready to go in the jars. Okay, would appear as though the mushrooms are cooked down to a reasonable amount that we can now fill the jars. I think I have more stock than I do mushrooms now, so we'll probably not be able to make a huge amount of mushroom soup jars, but the rest of it will be just plain stock. So yeah, I think about half full. Half full with the mushrooms and then just the stock. And space. Maybe just a tad more. And we'll get some chopstick to debubble. Well, I don't think that's too much of an issue. And a paper towel to wipe the rim. Get my ring. Sorry, a lid and a ring. And off to the next one. And wipe the rim, debubble, and then